welcome to my channel. My name is Samantha Izundu if you haven't been here before, and if you have, welcome back. Today I am doing a review of the Kosas brow collection. So I have 2 of the pencils and 2 of the brow gels. So I'm going to do basically one on one side and then one on the other side. I'm sacrificing my face for you guys. So I have 2 of the Air Brow gels. I have the shade Taupe and I have the clear. And the packaging of the clear is my dream. It is beautiful. It's like, what do you call that? Iridescent. Just beautiful. And these ones are just like a clear pink. And then I have 2 of the Brow Pops, which is a dual action defining pencil. I have the shade Soft Brown. I'll give you a swatch of the Soft Brown. And then I have Taupe. So here we have Soft Brown, and then next to it we have Taupe. So not a huge difference, just probably more of a difference of undertone. How I'm going to start is I'm just going to do how I usually do my brows, which is brush, pencil, gel. And I'm going to do that quickly as a demo. I have been using these, I have used it before, so I just want to demo how I do it and then I'll tell you my review. This is not a first impression. I've been using this for the past week, just so I can get a good grasp of how they perform through the day, how it wears, if it gets crusty or not, things like that. So just some details. I am obviously in Australia, I've got an Australian accent. So I will have the UK, the US and the Australian prices, their links down below, so it's relevant to your area. But in Australia, it's available at Mecca, and the clear gel is 33 and so is the tinted, and the pencil is also 33. So all products are 33 Australian dollars. So if you're American, you're looking at between $25 to $28 is my guess. If I had to do a little guess, but yeah, so that's where I got mine, from Mecca. So on this side, I'm going to do the Taupe pencil with the Taupe brow gel, and then on this side, I'm going to do the soft brown pencil with the clear gel. So on this side, I have the soft brown and I'm going to do the clear gel, but I just want to show you a comparison of my brows. So soft brown and just how it defines beautifully. Very easy to use. It's got more pigment than, say, like the Hourglass. It's got more pigment than that one. So I do like the fact that it was quicker to use because there's that little bit more pigment, but it's still dry. It's not a wet formula, so you know that it does stay really well. And then I'm going to do the clear gel over the top. And that has just set it beautifully. And then we're going to go over with the other side. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with the Taupe gel. Okay, so I don't think you can see a huge difference in the shade. So soft brown and Taupe, clear gel and Taupe gel. I think the Taupe, I personally think the Taupe side is a little bit darker because I have the extra Taupe gel over the top as opposed to just a very natural clear gel. And I don't actually have a favorite in terms of color. If I had to pick, I think I like the soft brown. Not that that matters in this review, but I just love how clean the soft brown with the clear gel looks. I am someone that prefers a clear gel anyway, so I guess I do come with bias. I'm not someone that does use a lot. I do use, but I don't use a lot of tinted gels. just because I like a very natural look, and I do find the soft brown has that little bit more natural to the taupe side. In terms of performance, so with the clear brow gel, it is designed to lift and condition to set the brows all day long. So it's got biodegradable plant-based fibers and a triangular spoolie that boosts and lifts each hair. And I do agree with that. I think the way I will do a zoom up of my eyebrow and how in place it is, and it stays that way all day. It doesn't go crusty, but it does hold really, really well. And I think that's really important to note, that it is a strong hold without that crustiness at the end of the day. You know what I'm talking about. And the key ingredients are hyaluronic acid and panthenol, which is a provitamin B5. So the actual pencil, the Brow Pop, has castor oil in it, which helps with overall hair health and growth if you do want to grow your lashes. I can't imagine it's at a strong level where you are getting a lot of growth, but I think it's at a level where it conditions your brows. It also has panthenol provitamin B5, which helps revive brows. So similar to the gel, and it's got the triangular design to help with fullness and color fill in any bald spots. And I really liked it. I usually go for a micro pencil, but it's a small enough triangle that I can use it. I don't have huge brows, but I don't have thin brows. I'd say I'm kind of in the middle. And I do prefer something smaller to help just define the line while still making it look natural as possible. So I really liked that. So the whole reason that these exist, they are to fill, so with the plant-based fibers, and to hold and make them look fluffy. So overall, my experience with using these through the week has been really positive. I am someone that has quite a variety of eyebrow pencils from drugstore to high-end. I love all kinds of. As long as it's good quality, I'm happy with it. And with these, I rank these high in the quality. I love the color range is phenomenal. The ease of application is phenomenal. The actual formula is phenomenal. I love the design of the pencil. I love the size of the spoolie, small and concise and easy to use in one direction. Packaging shouldn't come into play, but it does. It's beautiful. And I think the price point is also really, really good for something that is clean beauty and a little bit more higher end. I think the Hourglass, they go for about $45 for the micro pencil, and these are $33. So quite a bit of a difference there. And in my opinion, better quality. I think these are better, and I think the brow gels are phenomenal. If I had to pick my favorites, I think I'm gonna go with soft brown and clear gel, which is surprising. I thought I'd like the taupe more, but I think I like the lightness and natural effect that the soft brown has. But that's not going to impede on your decision as watchers. That's just more my preference and what I enjoyed using through the week. Other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.